Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency, organic Unida, Excellency for only and all teacher. Salam sekali tentang the causes and triggers of sneezing. Nah, body's most common expression in involuntary release of air that helps the body to get rid of irritants from debris, allergies, cold, and dirt. dirt, dirt, dirt. Nah, itu irritation of the nasal lining as sensed by the cilia of these cells. Thesis raptor send signal via sensory and to the parent, and dispensed via motor and via parasympathetic. Before the sneezing, compress your lungs is driven up. Thousands of droplets to project from your nose. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.